Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6. You've been disconnected there. So here's what you're going to do. You want to go to search, type in CMD, and you want to click run as an administrator and then allow it. And now in here, you want to type these following codes: ipconfig /release, enter, and now type in ipconfig /flushdns. Now type in ipconfig /renew, and now you want to type in netsh int ip reset, and then press enter. And the last code you want to type in is netsh winsock reset, and then press enter. And then now it says restart your PC. Don't restart it just yet. Type in exit out of this. And now what you can do also is go to search, type in settings. In settings, you want to go to network and internet, advanced network settings. Now find network reset, and then click here reset now, and then click yes. And after reset it, you want to restart your PC and the game should work properly. Now, one more thing you can try if that doesn't work is go to Steam, click on the Steam, and then click on settings. Now click on interface from here. And you want to make sure that this is switched to no beta chosen. If you're on Steam beta update, you want to switch it to no beta chosen. And after you've done that, you want to restart your PC. And after you restart your PC, your Forza Horizon 6 should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6. You've been disconnected there. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.